Damn! Does it feel good to be alive?
Quite. But we could still die later tonight.
Yeah.
Cloud and Tifa could be dead already.
Hell they are.
Then we need to find a way we can all escape, and quickly.
You're right. Let's go.
All we gotta do now is find the others.
We have them surrounded, sir.
Yes, I can see that. It was only a matter of time. Here we are. So then, what is this ragtag group of misfits I see before me? Avalanche!
Local florist.
Lab rat dog.
And where are the rest of you? Up your ass. Charming, though not what I would have chosen as my last words. Secure the ancient, but feel free to kill both the idiot and the dog. Aerith, you saved my Marlene. Now, it's time I return the favor.
Wait! Everyone, get in!
Let's go! Stop them, you fools! Don't let them escape!
Let's roll.
Why's he always gotta... Whoa! Whoa! Shit! free, Red.
I wouldn't celebrate just yet.
Man, you need to lighten up. Hell, you might even try smiling. On second thought, maybe frowning suits you better. Hey, don't pout.
Look.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Are you guys seeing this?
Whispers.
What is all this?
Is something wrong, sir? I see. Very good. The men are on standby, sir. Your orders.
Bring them in.
It's like the whole damn building's made of them.
Yeah.
I don't understand. What are they doing?
Who knows?
Wedge, you don't think he got caught up in it, do you?
If he did, I hope he's okay.
They're coming.
Who? This we don't need.
Time to go. Careful. Stay out of the line of fire. Focus. Circle around to the other side. Careful. Stay out of the line of fire. Circle around to the other side.
Stubborn bastards!
Look! Come on!
And let that be a lesson to you!
Firing warning shot.
Heads up!
That chopper's all mine! I'll bring it down real quick!
Keep it up!
Cloud, here.
Try catching us now, you bastards!
I hate to spoil the celebration.
I've got you, brother.
You're still doing okay, right?
And don't come back.
What the? Good luck.
No, you don't. Bring it home! Keep your guard up! There's no rest for the wicked.
It's on you.
Keep your guard up!
Keep your guard.
We're kinda in a hurry. You can do it!
Hey, fight's not over yet!
Man, calm down already.
another! Shit, we got incoming! I'll take the chopper! The bikes are all yours, Cloud! We're down! Engaging targets!
Preparing to engage target. Target acquired. Firing warning shot. Preparing to engage target. Targeting vehicle's wheel. Target acquired. Targeting vehicle's wheel. Preparing to engage target. Firing warning shot.
That's it! I'm taking you down! We done here?
Good?
Somehow.
Cloud, you okay?
So now, they're on our side?
The Whisperers intervene, not to defend us, but to preserve the flow of destiny.